Hey guys, Torch is here again. It's been a while, but this time we're painting on a 20 by 20 stretch canvas. The main idea of this painting was start off very loose, but as the lines began to get more smooth and everything, so did the idea. I began to realize that the goal of this painting is to see different perspectives on how we are seen. Meaning that we only see ourselves in one perspective, our first person, the reflection from the mirror. We never see ourselves outside of that. Would we recognize ourselves through somebody else's eyes, That being said, the idea of this painting was to make us be more self-aware. To know yourself is to see yourself in others. My idea of this was inspired by a reflection in the mirror, I guess. I've been self-reflecting on myself a lot lately as a creative. And, the more and more I realize that, we get inspired, but we forget that we inspire others. And in my eyes, I think that's what art is supposed to do, to inspire us. That being said, this painting, I decided to use a bit of some stranger colors than usual. Normally, I don't really use purple and orange. I wanted to do kind of like a pastel color, and at first, I wanted to do pink at first, but I felt like the orange would have worked so much better, and it really did, honestly. It's close enough to the yellow that I feel like it's very vibrant towards the purple, the same way that yellow does, because they're complementary colors. But anyways, I did that, and I wanted to put more dimension towards my painting. So I'm doing each color 3 different scales of the same color. I did this to make more dimension in painting, and honestly, I think it worked out pretty good. I've noticed I've been slowly getting that style of just using 3 different variations of the same color. I did this style more of like a printmaking method, meaning I've just been putting layers on layers on layers of acrylic paint on top of each other, and I really think that it brings out the color the most that it could. I mean, given that it's acrylic. Alright, that's all I gotta say for now, so I'm gonna let the video pan out, and then we'll talk at the end face to face, alright? Alright guys, well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, the end result. Also guys, I'm giving out these brand new panels. They're on top of wood panel. They are 1-of-1s. Here's an example of one. This one is a 6x6. I have 8 others that are 5x7s. So I have this one. Yeah, you get it. Check out my website. Giving these bad boys away for 25 bucks only. They're 1-of-1s, man. Like, rare, super rare. Like NFT rare, you know? Look at that. So yeah, I'm giving out these 25 bucks each, shipping and handling. Check out the website, torchesart.com. That's all you gotta do, man. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you got to.